Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use Rebtel on iPhone in Nigeria in 2025. So you can use Rebtel to make low-cost international calls. How? First of all, you need to download and install Rebtel. So open the App Store on your iPhone, search for Rebtel and download the official app. Wait for installation, then open the app. Next step is to sign up and verify your number. So you tap sign up and enter your Nigerian phone number or another valid number. Rebtel send an SMS verification code. If you do not receive it, you can check your network. You can also try switching from MTN to Airtel or Glo. If this still fails, request a call verification instead. Then enter the code to verify your account. Step 3 is to add credits using pay-as-you-go or subscription. Rebtel requires credit to make calls, unless calling another Rebtel user, which is relatively free. So how do you add credits? You tap balance in the app. Tap on add credits. Then choose a payment method. You have 3 payment methods. You have credit debit card, you have PayPal, and you have Apple Pay. So for some Nigerian cards that work, you can use credit or debit card. But if you want to link an international card, you can use PayPal instead if your local card fails. And lastly, if Apple Pay is supported in Nigeria, you can use Apple Pay. So once you've added credit, next thing is to enter the amount and confirm payments. Once choosing the payment method I meant. Then the step 4 is to make a call. Then you can open the Rebtel app again, tap the dialer icon, or you can go to contacts if you sync to your contacts. Enter the full international number. For example, +1 for USA, +44 for UK. So you're making a Nigerian call, you can use +234 and the Nigerian number. Then step 4 is to press the call button. Rebtel will connect via internet, VOIP, if you have data. If no internet, it may provide a local Nigerian number to call first, saving you international charges. Step 5 is to receive the calls. This is optional. If you want people to call you via Rebtel, go to settings in the Rebtel app, get a Rebtel number which is available. Then choose a virtual number. It can be US or UK number for others to call you cheaply. It's as simple as that. Now here are some troubleshooting common issues. Here's for the troubleshooting common issues like verification field error. If you're stuck here, you can try different SIM card. You can also use Wi-Fi plus mobile data for better SMS delivery. And lastly, you can contact Rebtel support. Now if you're having a problem of call not connecting, you can check international connection. Use 4G or 5G or Wi-Fi. You can also ensure you have enough balance. Restart the app or iPhone.